Got a burning question about your money? Specifically, are those Cleo cards actually safe? You've probably seen the ads, maybe even considered getting one to help you manage your finances with Cleo's AI smarts. But when it comes to your hard-earned cash, convenient and innovative are great, but secure is non-negotiable. Let's dive into what makes any financial product safe, and then specifically apply that lens to Cleo cards. When we talk about safety in the financial world, we're usually looking at a few key areas: FDIC insurance, data encryption, fraud protection, and regulatory compliance. Think of these as the 4 pillars of financial security. If any one of them is shaky, your money could be at risk. First, and arguably most important for any account holding your deposits, is FDIC insurance. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is an independent agency of the United States government that protects you against the loss of your insured deposits if an FDIC-insured bank fails. This protection is usually up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. So, is your money on a Cleo card covered by FDIC insurance? The answer is yes. Cleo partners with FDIC-insured banks like LendingClub Bank and Thread Bank. This means that the funds you deposit into your Cleo account are held at one of these partner banks and are therefore protected by FDIC insurance. This is a huge tick in the safe box, as it means even if Cleo itself faced financial difficulties, your deposits would still be protected up to the FDIC limits. Next up, data encryption. In today's digital age, your personal and financial data is constantly being transmitted. Robust encryption is like an impenetrable vault around that data, scrambling it so that unauthorized parties can't read it. Cleo, like all reputable financial technology companies, employs industry-standard encryption protocols to protect your information. This includes things like Transport Layer Security, TLS, and Secure Sockets Layer, SSL, to ensure that your data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. So, when you're logging into the app or making a transaction, your details are being protected. Then there's fraud protection. This is about what happens if your card is lost or stolen, or if unauthorized transactions occur. Cleo cards are typically issued by MasterCard, which comes with its own robust fraud protection policies. This usually includes zero liability for unauthorized transactions, meaning you won't be held responsible for charges you didn't make. Additionally, Cleo itself implements various security measures, such as monitoring for suspicious activity and offering features like card freezing, where you can instantly lock your card from the app if you suspect it's been compromised. Finally, regulatory compliance. Financial companies operate within a strict framework of laws and regulations designed to protect consumers. Cleo, as a fintech company, must adhere to these regulations, which often include data privacy laws, consumer protection acts, and anti-money laundering (AML) protocols. Their partnerships with regulated banks further solidify their commitment to operating within established legal and financial guidelines. So, bringing it all together, are Cleo cards safe? Based on the presence of FDIC insurance, strong data encryption, robust fraud protection measures, and adherence to regulatory standards, the answer leans heavily towards yes. While no financial product is 100% immune to all potential risks, a simple example being someone gaining access to your phone and the Cleo app if it's not properly secured. Cleo employs the core security measures that are expected of modern financial services. As with any financial tool, your personal security habits, like using strong, unique passwords and being wary of phishing attempts, also play a crucial role in keeping your money safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.